Properly primed and cemented joints are essential for a leak-free plastic pipe system. Follow these steps to join large diameter pipes with a fail-proof bond. Applying primer is an extremely important step in creating a first-class, long-lasting joint. Primer softens the joint area so the joint can fuse together. Without primer, fusion is weak and a joint may fail. Before you prime, check the penetration or softening ability of the primer on a scrap piece by scraping a few thousandths of an inch. Now, apply the primer, vigorously working it into the fitting socket and keeping the surface and applicator wet until the surface has been softened. Remove any puddles. In the same manner, apply the primer to the end of the pipe equal to the depth of the fitting socket. Then, apply a second round of primer to the fitting. Don't allow primer to run down the inside of the fitting or pipe. In the case of belled-end pipe, do not allow the primer to run past the bell socket into the pipe. Placing a board under the fitting, giving it a forward tilt, may help keep the primer and cement from running into the fitting socket. While the surfaces are still wet and without hesitation, apply the solvent cement in a full, even layer onto the pipe, equal to the depth of the fitting socket. Then immediately apply a medium layer of cement to the fitting socket. Avoid puddling. Without delay, apply a second even layer of cement on the pipe. Most joint failures are caused by insufficient application of cement. Again, do not let the cement run down the inside of the fitting or pipe. Working quickly, assemble the pipe and fitting while the cement is still wet. If it's not completely wet, recoat before assembly. Hold the joint together for 30 seconds or more, depending on the temperature. This will eliminate movement or joint push-out. Finally, wipe off the excess cement, including the ring or bead around the socket entrance. This will help the joint to cure faster. Avoid disturbing the joint as it cures. If the cement coatings have hardened, cut the pipe, dispose of the pipe and fitting, and start over. Do not assemble partially cured surfaces. With these steps in mind, you're ready to join large diameter pipes with the best possible results. Visit our page to learn more and see other tutorials.